Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a little different video today. I usually just focus solely on Disney and reading through the Bible, but today I'm going to talk about candy canes and how to securely mount them so that they're not falling all over. I looked for a video on this, could not find one, and came up with my own idea, and it works great. So since I do Disney videos, I thought I would show you the Mickey Mouse lights that I have in the front of the yard. I've put these up for many years. I got them at Fry's, which is a grocery store here in Arizona, and they are owned by Kroger. Now I have fixed my candy canes that I've put up for about 20 years now, and every year they're falling every which way. You always got to straighten them up, and they're fairly straight now, and I'm really happy with the results. Now I'm not going to show you how I secured these as far as me actually doing it, but I will show you what I did and the results. So what I did is I went to Lowe's and I looked around, and I looked in the garden center, and I was looking for something to secure these candy canes, and something that I came across was an 8-pack steel edging stake. And I had 15 candy canes, and they came in a packet of 8. And I actually paid $8.68 for each pack, so I spent about $17.36, I believe, for both of them together. Then I had to figure out a way that I was going to secure the candy canes to these edging stakes. And what I thought of was to use zip ties to fasten them to the stakes, and then I would cut the additional zip tie that's hanging out, cut that off. So let's take a look and see what the result actually was. So I decided to put the stakes on the back part of the candy cane so that you wouldn't see it as much, obviously, as the front. So I walk around here and along the sidewalk here. These are my 15 candy canes that I have. The problem with these candy canes is that everything is plastic. So the posts are plastic. So here I am, and you can look right here. There's my stake. And then if you look, there's my little zip tie on there. So I hope by watching this video, this has helped you to fix your candy cane problem. If it has, please put a comment. Make sure you like this video. Hit that notification bell. Also, please consider checking out my hundreds of other videos. I'm sure there's one that you would like. And we will see you next time.